This is a bottle of shepherd. But we are not talking about this shepherd today because it is finished. This is the K9 wireless microphone, and this is what we're talking about today. So I am going to do the full unboxing of this K9 wireless microphone. I'm going to tell you how it functions, all of its functionality, how to use it properly. It's a plug and use mic, but it's not as simple as it seems. Okay, so I'm going to do all of that right in this video. But before that, I want to give a special shout out to my younger brother Steven. He was the one who actually bought this for me. All right, so as you can tell, I've used other microphones before. All right, but why I'm choosing to review this one in particular is because it is low budget and it works fine for the purpose. All right, if you're just starting out and you're not having on cash to buy any of those high budget and high definition microphones, this K9 is your go-to. I am not affiliated with them in any way, and this is not even some kind of any promotion, but if it works, it should get the credit it deserves. Okay, so let's get down to business straight. So if you look at this K9 before you buy it, if you want to order it online, all right, or you even go to a store, it comes in type C and for the Android port. Okay, so you're going to select, and for me, my device that I'll be using it on is a type C, so you can see it's been type C. Again, if you come down by the side, you're going to see that it also has for a single mic and a double mic. So this particular one is the double mic, so you can see that it's ticked the double mic. Okay, now you turn behind it, you're going to see some of the functionalities of the K9 wireless mic. You can see it says plug and play, so it means that it doesn't require you to do any major settings. You just need to plug it in and begin to use it. Voila. It also said it covers 30 meters of accessible reception, so it means if you're going to measure 30 meters just like a Bluetooth device, it is going to cover, so you can be from far and be making your recording, and it's going to be able to cover it. You know, like it has a receptor, so the receptor, or rather a receiver, so the receiver is going to be able to receive that recording from 30 meters apart. Again, it says precise radio. So if you've ever used a public address system, you'd notice that there are sometimes, because this works like a radar, radio magnetic waves, so it sometimes captures radio signals of other broadcasting channels, other radio stations. That's what it means. But what we're saying is you're not going to experience this with this microphone, because precisely it is only going to capture your recording. Okay, and again it says clear timbre. All right, so for clear timbre here, you know, when you're making your recording, sometimes you have those sounds. All right, so this microphone is going to help your recording to be clear. Okay, and then it says a high sensitivity. High sensitivity, yeah, I don't know what is high sensitivity. You people will actually go and research and tell us what high sensitivity is. Okay, and then widely compatible. Okay, so it means that it is compatible with a wide range of devices, for different uh, um, devices that use type C, and for different devices that use the iPhone. Okay, so let's go to the main thing, the unboxing. All right, so you can see how it comes. Fine packaging, man. I love the way this stuff is packaged. All right, so right in it, you can see this is the first thing, an unboxing, and this is a USB cable. Voila. So this USB cable, because mine is for type C, you can see, so you can use this USB for charging the microphones and for the adapter, the receiver or adapter. Okay, so the next thing we are going to see in this microphone here is this is what we call the receiver. Okay, so this little device you see here is the device that is actually going to pick your radio signals or your radio magnetic waves. That is your recording. It simply means your recording. And if you look closely, it has a type C. So this is the end you're going to plug into the place you usually charge your phone. Okay, and you can see here it also has a type C. That's if your device is low and while you've plugged this, you can actually plug this here and plug this to your charging unit so that it can continually from here to here and be charging your device while you make your recording, so you don't have any power outage. So after saying that, another thing we can see, you can see this is like, I like this packaging. It's very properly, like it comes with this thing. What do people even call this phone? Whatever. But you can see this is one of those mic, and since I've actually got the dual mic, it means two. You can see them here, and both of them work fine. So once you've connected your receiver, you can actually power this on. It has a power button here which you press to power it on. All right, so when you look closely, you can see, let me get this off, real quick. Good. So you can see that it has a light blinking here, red, green, red, green. Now this indicates that it is not plugged in, it is not yet working, it's not yet picking signals. Once this is now plugged to your phone and it starts receiving, it's going to turn this automatically to green. Okay, and it is same for this. They both can work for the same time. So me, I would advise you just get the dual one, so that in case you're inviting someone onto your channel or to your vlog or to your recording, you can give them one and they both work simultaneously the same time. You can also power this on and you can see that both of them are blinking. It means both of them will work. Okay, so let's get to the main thing. There's running the difference. Okay, so I'm going to plug the receiver right about now. This is a bottle of shepherd. Okay, sorry, that didn't go as planned. Okay, so now that I have plugged the receiver, I'm now going to power it on. Okay, so you can see that it is now plugged in and it's now showing green. So you can hear the difference already. If you didn't hear the difference, this is a bottle of shepherd, but we are not talking about this shepherd today because it is finished. Now I hope you have all seen. So this is that point where you like and you subscribe to this channel, because I make this kind of reviews here all the time, and then I make interesting videos on how to get onto content creation, the new tools you can use, for your content creation, for your recording, and most especially how to make money online. That's really the main thing we talk on this channel: how to make money online, passive income. So if you're interested in any of those stuff, just subscribe to this channel and follow the journey around, because this is a new channel and I want you all to hop on it now so that you don't miss anything. Thank you. I remain the Sage. Wait a minute, did I say type C and Android? Well, that was a mistake. I actually meant type C and the iPhone. So if your port, your charging port or your USB port is not type C and is not iPhone, this will not fit in your phone. There is no way it is going to fit in for now. Okay, so type C and iPhone. All right.